everybody! Welcome! Today, we are going to draw Peppa Pig as Little Mermaid. We start doing the head. Very nice! And the nose. We erase a little it to make the star here. And now we draw a happy mouse. And now, the rest of the body. We draw the legs now. And now, the tail. Very nice! If you like this video, you can subscribe and press the like button. We finished the tail. And draw the arms. Don't forget to make some bubbles. Draw the arms. And now, let's color the drawing. See you on the next video. Bye!